How do I sign in? You can sign into your account by first heading to the Universal Care Training homepage, navigating to Login and selecting UCT LMS Learner Sign-In from the drop-down menu. From here, you can enter the email address which you received your invitation on and your password and click the Sign In button to sign into your account. If this is your first time signing in, you can change your password to something easier to remember along with your name after signing in. If you've forgotten your password, you can click the Forget Learner Account Password button to have a new password sent to a provided email address. Simply enter your email address and click the Get Password button to receive a new password. Remember to make sure you are on the correct sign-in page labeled Learner Sign-In. If you are on a Manager Account Sign-In, click the Change to Learner Sign-In button to change to the Learner Sign-In page.